Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the message header and sender address closely. This reveals common spoofing tricks. Once done, hover over links to preview their real destination and avoid clicking. Make sure to scan for urgent or threatening language and unexpected attachments, because attackers use pressure to force mistakes. You should open no attachments until you confirm their legitimacy, and if the email asks for passwords or payments, treat it as suspicious and step back to verify independently. You now dig deeper by viewing full headers to trace the message path and check SBF, DKIM, or DMARC results. These tell you if the sender is authorized. Once done, treat attachments and links as potential traps. Scan them in antivirus or open in an isolated environment. Make sure to verify any request for money, credentials, or data via a secondary channel such as a known phone number or the organization's official website. This prevents social engineering from succeeding. You finish by reporting the suspicious email to your IT or security contact and using the email client's reporting tools so filters improve. Once done, if you suspect credentials were exposed, change passwords right away and enable multi-factor authentication to reduce risk. Make sure to preserve headers and copies of the message for any investigation, and if you see unusual account activity, follow incident response procedures. If something goes wrong, contact IT immediately and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.